Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a Discord bot in your own server. And this is quite simple. So first of all, create your own Discord server. After this, click on the arrow just right there and go to App Directory. App Directory is the tool where you can add all the bots that you want. So I want to add the Pro bot. So I search for Pro bot, do enter, and then click on the Pro bot just right here. Click on that. Then do Add App. And from here, he sent us to the site. Now that's fine. I want to select the server where I want to add this bot. So for me, it's welcome bot. Then do continue, then do authorize. Show them that we are a human. And right here, we are just in the settings from the Pro bot. Now, for now, that's not important what we're gonna select or what we're gonna install. So what I want to show you now is when we go back to Discord and do escape, you can see that we just added the Pro bot in our Discord server. Now you can do /help for more settings and which commands you can use in the Discord, but this is the way how you can add your own Discord bot. All right, if you have questions about this, please comment them below so I can help you out there in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.